Artoonza.
Quick, smash that like button like it's the last scoop on a hot day. Yes, you tiny artist, tap it now before this cone melts into a puddle of sadness. Okay, I'm so excited. Today we're drawing the sassiest, most royal ice cream ever.
Wow!
3 scoops stacked like a wobbly tower of yum. 1 rocking sunglasses cooler than yours. 1 wearing a crown fancier than any king's. Sunglasses on ice cream? Ridiculous.
Aww.
A crown on dessert? Chef's kiss, silly. Grab your crayons, giggle with me. Let's sketch this snacky royalty before glitter madness begins. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Crown Scoop's throwing shade. Paint him royal purple before his ego melts away. Give us a big thumbs up. Middle Scoop's rocking shades like a total celebrity. Slather on hot pink because she says purple is so last scoop.
Aww, so cute.
Pink is the new drip. Honey. Bottom Scoop just wants attention, too. Light green splash coming through because even the base of royalty deserves some serious glow-up glory.
Wow!
Shades need drama. Drop red paint, boom, instant runway frame.
Aww, so cute.
Grab those highlighters. Orange zaps the cone wide awake. Yellow zhuzhes up the lenses and crown like edible sparkly bling. Fabulous and sticky. Smash that like button now. Now blend that red frame smooth. Shades officially cooler than your uncle's.
Wow!
Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.